Alright, now moving on from here, we can now say that root of negative m is equal to 2 minus root of m, okay? So we can deduce this from this equation. Now, at this point, let's square both sides. So if you square this side and square this side, we have root of negative m squared. So the square and the square roots cancel, so we are left with negative m on this side. So we equal to 2 squared is 4 minus root of m times 2 is 2 root m times 2 is 4 root m. And then this is plus root of m squared, which is m. Okay. Now we have 4 root m to be equal to 4 plus m is 2m. Okay. Now at this point you can say let's go ahead and square both sides again. So we have this side squared and then the right hand side squared. 4 squared is 16, root of m squared is m, to be equal to 4 squared on this side is 16 plus 2m squared is plus 4m squared. 2 times 4 is 8 times 2 is 16, so we have plus 16m. Now we can go ahead and divide each term here by 4. So we have that this is 4m to be equal to 4 plus m squared plus 4m. Okay. Now we can cancel 4m and 4m on both sides, so that we're left with m squared plus 4 to be equal to 0. Now moving on from here, we can now say you can solve this using the sum of two squares formula. Okay. So this will be equal to m plus 4 is 2 squared, so we can say that this is m plus 2i multiplied by m minus 2i to be equal to 0. Okay. Now this means that m will be equal to plus or minus 2i. Okay. So this is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.